Diversity in living world. Diversity in living world. Biology is the science of life form and life process. The living world comprises an amazing diversity of living organisms. Early man could easily precise the difference between inanimate matters and living organisms. Early man defined some of inanimate matters: wind, sea, fire, etc., and some among the animals and plants. A common feature of all such form of inanimate and animate object was the sense of awe and fear that they evoked. The description of living organism, including human beings being much later of human history. Societies which included an anthropocentric view of biology could register limited process in biological knowledge. Systematic and monumental description of life form brought in out of necessity delighted system of identification, nomenclature and classification. The biggest spin of such studies was the recognition of the sharing of similarities among living organisms both horizontally and vertically, that all present day living organisms are related to each other and also to all organisms that ever lived on this earth was a revolution which humbled man and led to culture movement for conservation of biodiversity. In the following chapter of unit, we will get a description including classification of animals, plants from a taxonomic perspective. Now we will discuss about Ernst Mayr. He was a biological scientist, and it is very important for examination. Born on 5 July 1904 in Campeche, German, Ernst Mayr, the Harvard University evolutionary biologist who has been called the Darwin of 20th century, was one of the 100 greatest scientists of all time. Mayr joined Harvard Faculty of Arts and Science in 1953, retired in 1975, assuming the title Alexander Agassiz Professor of Zoology Emeritus. Throughout his nearly 18 years career, his research spanned ornithology, taxonomy, zoogeography, evolution, systematics, and the history of philosophy of biology. He almost single-handedly made of the origin of species diversity in the center question of evolutionary biology that it is today. He also pioneered the currently accepted definition of a biological species. Mayr was awarded the three prizes widely regarded as the Triple Crown of Biology: the Belgian Prize in 1983, the International Prize of Biology in 1994, and the Kerfrod Prize in 1919. Mayr died at the age of 100 in the year of 2004. He is the Mayr. This video is only for reading and pronunciation of the living world. This is the first part, and now we start. Chapter 1: The Living World. How wonderful is the living world! The wide range of living types is amazing. The extraordinary habits in which we find living organisms, be it cold mountain, deciduous forest, ocean, fresh water, lakes, desert, or hot spring, leaves us speechless. The beauty of a Gallopian horse, of the migrating birds, the valley of flowers, or the attacking sharks evokes away and a deep sense of wonder. The ecological conflict and cooperation among members of a population and among population of a community, or even the molecular traffic inside a cell, make us deeply reflect on what ended in life. What ended is life. The question has two implicit question within it. First is a technical the first is a technical one and seek answer to what living is as obsessed to the living, and the second is a philosophical ones, and the seek answer to what the purpose of life is. As scientists, we shall not attempt answering the question. We will we will try we shall sorry what's the purpose of life. As scientists, we shall not attempt answering the question. We will try to reflect on what is living. Now we will discuss in next part what is living. Okay.